Hi children, good morning. Welcome to our social class. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyodirkamaya mrityoma amritam kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, open your eyes. Today we are going to see about storm and different kinds of storms. So, what do you mean by storm? So, when wind blows at high speed, as result is a storm. Sometimes trees and plants get uprooted and roof of houses fall apart. A storm is created when hot, light air rushes upwards at very high speed. When it reaches the cooler layer of the atmosphere, it rapidly condenses to form large clouds. This usually results in rain and bright flashes of light called lightning. This is the image of storm. And storm can be of different kinds. First one is thunderstorms, hailstorms, and snowstorms. This is the image of thunderstorms. In this kind of storm, you can see lightning in the sky along with very loud thumping sound called thunder. This storm is often accompanied with heavy rainfall. Thunderstorms can be very dangerous because the lightning can harm people and buildings. Such storms can also cause fire. Lightning rods are fixed on rooftops to avoid damage to the buildings. This is the image of hailstorm. Have you ever seen tiny ice balls falling from the sky during heavy rain? These are called hailstones. These are formed when drops of rain pass through very cold air in the atmosphere. Due to sudden cooling, these drops of rain turn into ice. They then fall on the ground along with the rain. Hail can cause a lot of harm to people and things. After all, it's similar to falling stones from the sky. Next is snowstorm. A snowstorm occurs when heavy snowfall accompanies a storm. But how is snow formed? You already know about the water cycle. Clouds are made up of water droplets. But do you know that snow too comes from the clouds? Snow forms when droplets in clouds freeze into tiny ice crystals and stick together to become snowflakes. When many snowflakes stick together, they become heavy and fall to the ground. When the snow falls with a heavy force accompanied by strong winds, snowstorms can occur. Snowstorms can cover a large area under thick layer of ice within hours. They cut off roads and affect transport. This is the image of snowstorm. So, are you clear about storm and different kinds of storms? This is time for your homework. Do practice zone 3 in book page number 106 and do question number 4, 5, 9, 15 in page number 26, 27 and 29. Fourth question, what are the different forms of precipitation? Fifth question, how can we prevent lightning from damaging buildings? How does a storm occur? Name 3 types of storms. 15th question, a hailstorm can damage a lot of plants. Explain how. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.